Greetings, fellow traders. Spotlight here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Wednesday, May the 27th, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's see where we left off the market today. So, wow, SPX up 44 points, well over the prior month high right now, over the mid-monthly Bollinger Band, and working its way up with 2 days left in the month. So if it closes close to this or even higher, what a strong recovery this last 2 months have been. Weekly chart, right? Big move here off of the bullish engulfing candle with the RSI oversold. Worked our way back up. Look at this, guys, all the way today to over the 30 weekly moving average. Impressive. It just said bye to that Harami cross area right there. It was just like, let's do it, right? Filled the gap and then worked its way up here on the weekly chart. Daily chart, pretty strong, right? Big hammer over the 200-day moving average. And if you look at the SPY, strong move. Now we are heading up into a little breakdown resistance right here, right? The drop base area, but still a strong move with good volume today. Let's take a look at the intraday price action here today. So pretty nasty at the open. I mean, things were looking dismal, right, for a little bit. Some great short ideas right here. We pointed a lot of great shorts on the live stream this morning, and then quite a reversal today. So we grabbed some calls here on SPY into the end of the day, and then we at the end of the day too, even a bigger move there on the live stream at the close. So really good stuff there. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. Again, just still pushing up after hours here. Really incredible afternoon here with this epic the V reversal. It's like the theme of the day. So this bull flag that we looked at this morning, even though it broke down this morning, it ended up breaking out above it anyway. Just took a little bit of a road to get there. So pretty amazing stuff on that. MES. Same thing, guys. You know, I mean, these little bull flags here, right at the 15-hour blows, gave a nice move here. Follow the ADMA up, and just a strong move today on the S&P. The Qs had a little bit more of a struggle today, right? They were down more on a gap, right, and it ended up only up a little bit here, but still had an epic reversal too, and really gave a good hammer and held its upward trend line. So nice work on those. The IWM. Right, also held pretty well too. It looks like it's targeting that 200-day moving average as well. Let's take a look at Apple. Now, Apple is one of the more choppy ones today. It did hang on to the ADMA. It did hang on to the upward trend line, so that was good. Not after had a few quick sharp moves down, but double inside 15, slight pullback, and then worked its way up. Right, so nice move there on Apple. Tesla. So the SpaceX. Oh, I just heard the SpaceX launch was aborted. So not sure. Well, it's fine as long as everybody's safe. But anyway, something to keep an eye on here with that going on here on Tesla. So watch these geo levels still. It's still getting tight here as well. Hold on the 21 EMA. So again, Tesla is not SpaceX. So even though Elon Musk is the figurehead of both of those. So anyway, something to keep an eye on there going into tomorrow. What else? So MU. Big move on MU today. Right. So I love the volume that came today. I love the candle. I love how we closed over the 200-day. We're running into a little bit of resistance right here. Not to be Buzz Killington on the whole thing. A little bit of resistance right here. But I think this kind of volume today can get a nice follow-through. Let's see where we're at tomorrow. I mean, when you have this intraday and you just go boom, right, with this huge amount of volume to the upside, it had a increased guidance. And, we could see some upgrades on this one tomorrow. So let's see what happens with MU into tomorrow. So that should be pretty interesting as well. And then let's take a look here. 1 second. I see what happened there. Okay, good. Yep, so MU pretty strong there. And, of course, there was some other ones. On the lunchtime market update, we looked at SYF. So the regional banks were all strong. This had a real nice close with good volume, and I think it ended up closing over this pivot level high right here. This was 21.38, just a few cents below. So keeping this on the radar for tomorrow is still pretty strong. There's some other ones, too, out there. Ally Financial, CIT, and a few other ones that had some good strength today. Also in the semi world, WDC looked pretty good. So nice engulfing candle there today off of the ADMA. That's looking pretty strong there. Earnings coming up. We've got W Day. So looks like we've already got some numbers out here. Let's see. Ooh, big spike on earnings there for W Day. So that's looking pretty good going in tomorrow. Autodesk, ADSK. I haven't seen a lot of chart requests on this one in a while, but a little bit choppy here. But in general, daily chart, still kind of working its way up here. These stocks still move whether we look at them or not, right? So it's holding the 80 minute there with a hammer today. Tomorrow morning, we've got DG, Dollar General. So keep an eye on that one. Real nice close at the end of the day here. So let's see if we can get some more upside movement. I imagine they'll probably have some good numbers with people rating stores and stuff like that, like Walmart had. So let's see if they get some more upside follow through. And then NEO tomorrow, guys. Look at that big gap above the the Geo trendline. We talked about this last night, and great volume here. Of course, it's going to an earnings binary event. But keep an eye on Neo tomorrow, guys. This is a really fun one to trade on 15 orbs for earnings. So just keep an eye on that one and see how that goes in and tomorrow. Anyway, guys, I hope everybody had a great one. We'll see you guys on the free YouTube live stream tonight on the Bubble Chat channel. If you're just tuning in now, definitely click subscribe on YouTube and hit the notification button so you'll see when we go live tonight. And we'll go over more technical ideas, but continue our series, and also take questions and chart requests. So looking forward to seeing you guys then. I hope everybody has a great evening. Stay healthy out there, and remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you guys.